Welcome to TaraBites. This video is a taste test video on a cereal that I believe is new. I've never seen it before. I've said before, my favorite cereal is a s'mores cereal that I can only find now at Walmart, like the bagged generic cereal. I'm not even a huge s'mores person, but the cereals are amazing. I was excited to see this one. It's by General Mills and it's Smores Loaded, and it's usually like little marshmallows and little chocolate balls and then pieces of like Golden Grams and the other s'more cereals. So this is the first one that's like a stuffed one. So I already poured my milk. Let's get to it. Very, very different than all the other s'mores cereals I've tried. That's for sure. Okay. Definitely would not get this again. It's not horrible tasting, but it's like a 1 compared to every other s'mores cereal I've tried, which to me those are all 10s. So I definitely wouldn't buy this again. Does not get my seal of approval.